Welcome to Travel Around Suzy, and if you're new here, thanks for joining us. I greatly appreciate you. The video today, we are talking a no-build closet. And if you have not seen my van tour, go check out the van tour of my rig. This is a DIY build, and I don't have a closet, but I like to wear nice shirts when I go out dancing. And so I'm going to show you how I keep them looking nice. Come on. All right, so as you can see, this is my bedroom, my living quarters, 60 square feet. So where do I keep my clothes? Where do I keep my shirts that I wear out and about for my nightlife, where I go out ballroom dancing, freestyling? And I always struggled with that until about a year and a half ago. And this is my solution. The no-build build garment bag. Now, this is actually, a lot of people don't see this. It's sort of organized. But I keep my winter gloves, my hats for winter. And actually, this hat a friend of mine made, so I don't wear it very often because I'm trying to keep it nice. So you won't see me wearing that one much. It is so pretty. I love it. And she made it by hand. I'm always jealous of people that can do that kind of stuff. Then I have another pocket over here with, this is my really thick, warm winter hat from Michigan. And then I have another one. This one's not so warm, but this is just kind of like an everyday thing. But when it's 0 degrees, this bad boy's coming out. So now this is just a garment bag. And I will link one down in the description. There are several different styles. I personally like the ones that have side pockets. There's a pocket here. Let me close this back up for a minute. There's a pocket here that you can keep stuff. And I don't really have anything that I keep in there, so it's just an empty pocket. But these are, there is a pocket inside of here, and inside of here, this is my 80s outfit. So if you haven't seen that, this is where I keep the fanny pack and the socks that I did not wear. Yep, so this is my 80s outfit that I just keep that down at the bottom. Fanny pack's not going to get wrinkled. And then in here, I have another one. And this one is just like a scarf for them cold months. Yes, I'm a wussy when it comes to cold. But that's where I keep all my winter gear for Michigan. But these are my dancing shirts. And yes, I do have too many. I need to go through them. No judging here. I don't judge you. You don't judge me. And then behind here, a leather jacket. Gotta have a leather jacket. I actually own a few. But I have them all tucked. I have my dress here that I just let it hang. I just kind of tuck it back in there. And then when I want to wear the shirt, I take it off. And then when I get done and I wash it, then I hang it back up in here. Now this one, so this one is a little bit different than the normal ones that I've seen. Most of the time they have one hanger that goes through up in here and then it unzips. I personally like this one because you can add different hangers. So I just got this hanger. So there's my leather jacket, just tucked nicely back there. And then I have this hanger, and this hanger is unique because it has these little hooks. Now, I know some of you guys have a full build out rig, and so you have a closet. So you could, if you needed something that would hang belts or scarves or anything of that nature, you could put one of these hangers in there, and then you can put a couple hangers up in here, and then you just close that, and then you use these hangers. Now, yes, down here at the bottom, it is getting a little, probably a little wrinkled. But you know, I'm okay with that because that is normally at my belt or where my pants are. And I'm normally sitting or whatever, and it's not as noticeable. I really have no other way to hang up my shirts. So this is a way that I can hang and keep my shirts. Most of the shirts that I do buy are pretty much a non-wrinkle. So this is my simple, no-build closet. Let me know down in the comments if this is something that you would like to use in your build, or if you have used something like this in your build. But I like that this nylon bag has zippers. Now this garment bag, I could actually fold it and zip it up like this. It does have a zipper for that. Well, actually it has straps like that. But I do not want to do that. So I just tuck it like that. And there is my closet. My no-build closet. A little bonus tip for you guys. I will link a product like this down in the description if you guys want to go buy a brand new one. But for all my thrifty people out there, perfect place to find one of these is in the thrift store. Tons of them are out there, different styles. Most of the time you can go there and they have 2 or 3 different ones. And that's where I bought this one. Now in my videos, sometimes I find thrift things, and then I also too link them in the description, just because some of you guys don't like to thrift, and that's okay. I'm good with that. And some of you guys like to thrift. So I'm giving you both options, but I am letting you know I did get this one from the thrift store. And I will link the brand name, the one that this one is, in the description. And you guys can get it off that. And it will be an affiliate link. And I will make a commission if you choose to purchase it through my link. That does help out my channel, and I greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to go thrifting and looking for one of these, great. Love it. Save your money. Go get one at the thrift store. If not, it's your choice. Either way, I hope this item helps you out. And let me know down in the comments down below if this is a product that you think would be useful in your rig, or you have something like this in your rig. And also too, YouTube thinks you should watch this video. So go click on this video, and thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Bye now. Safe travel.